Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Despend token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Despend is a modern Web3 cross-border e-commerce platform and transaction value added system that uses cross-border e-commerce and cryptocurrency social economic resources as a vehicle with blockchain technology applications as the underlying business logic and integrates e-commerce systems and financial systems as a comprehensive economic model for implementation. Despend DSG is a blockchain-powered Web3 platform aiming to streamline cross-border e-commerce by merging cryptocurrency payments, social commerce features, and financial tools into a unified ecosystem. Despend project audited by Ceritic. The spend token total supply is around 334,000 and circulating supply is also 334,000 DSG token. DSG token is listed on PancakeSwap V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.